It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. As you can see, I have these gallon size paint sticks. As a matter of fact, I have 16 of these gallon size paint sticks for this project today. This is kind of a 2-for-1, so, or 2-in-1 I should say, and I think it turned out really cute, and I just cannot wait for you guys to see it. What I am creating is a planter that's going to also act as a riser and or some type of stand. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm calling it a planter riser. And what I did was added some of the popsicle sticks in the center of this piece so that it can act as a joint holder. Y'all, I am so exhausted doing this voiceover, so forgive me. My mind is like, I'm ready to shut down and go to sleep. But anyway, I am cutting down some of these popsicle sticks because this is what I'm going to use to put at either end of this piece to give this the barn door look. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you all are having a great day. I hope that you all are preparing to take some time off if your job permits to enjoy the festivities of July 4th. I have a lot of videos up that I've crafted earlier the last 2 months that has some Independence Day theme, so check those out. But welcome to the channel, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. So as I bring your eyes back to the clip, you notice that I glued down the word home. So the way I glued this down, you will be able to style it as a planter, and then when I add all 4 pieces to it and make it my little planter box, air quote, you can then turn it to the side and it will act as a stand or a riser. It is strictly up to you. But yeah, I think this turned out really, really cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And each step is kind of repetitive. I will say, just think about it if you decide to recreate this project. Just think about making a box. That's all you're doing, adding your 4 sides. And what you will see me doing is adding some of those jingle blocks or the tumbling tower blocks in each section so that it is glued up against the boards so that we can merge the boards together. And that's about it. These are acting as what they call, when you're putting dressers together, are brownies, except these are not brownies. These are just blocks. And as you see, I've glued them down, and then I'm just going to glue the sides together and make sure that it's touching up against the tumbling tower blocks. And as you can see, it's coming along, and I'm really liking the way it's looking. Now, I did keep mine in a neutral state, meaning just leaving it with the natural wood. However, as I always state on my videos, or I try to, that the only thing that I'm doing is bringing you inspiration. You may not like some of the color choices that I make, but that's the beauty of crafting. because whereas I might like one color scheme, you may like another, and you can just, you know, recreate the projects to fit your home decor style or your color palette in your home. But for me, I decided to just keep this in a natural state and not add any color to it, and that's it, and that's all. So guys, have you been watching the Diddy trial? What's your verdict on it? Do you think he's guilty, not guilty? It's going to be interesting how this plays out. I don't usually deal with politics, but this is one thing that kind of has piqued my interest to see how this is going to go. And as you can see, I am just making sure that all the pieces fit together. Now I did mess up on one little part. I kind of looked away when I was adding the crossbars to hold everything together on one of the sets, but it's still small enough that unless you're really looking really hard, you're not going to notice. So guys, just want to again remind you that if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And as you can see, I'm a little out of frame, but it's just because of the height of the box and how my ring light is positioned for this project. So please forgive me. And you see, I wrapped some of that jute around the base where I kind of messed up on the leg or the feet part of this box, but nevertheless this turned out. So guys, now you headed into the reveal, as you can see, and jute I've styled this better, especially in tower format, using some of that greenery from Walmart. I think this turned out so pretty, so cute. You guys got to let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. And keep in mind, you can change this out with color. And now this is how it's looking as a riser. And I think styling it this way is super cute as well. So how would you style it? Would you style it vertical or horizontal? Let's chat it up in the comments with your thoughts.